we've got the AYGO in, brake lights all working, but for this one brake light bulb's blown, so let's whip this light out and change this bulb. So on this one we've got a little clip we're going to have to pull out there, and we're going to just undo this screw because we need to pull this carpet trim forward. So let's whip that little screw out of there. And we'll just have this clip away here. We'll just grab it with that, give it a little tug. There we go, that's that out as well. And then we can pull this trim down here. There's a little clip there, a little cable tie there. It should have a trim clip. This one's been cable tied. So we'll just pop that out of there. Which now should give us a bit more of a leeway on this thing here. Pull that rubber up as well, get that out of the way a little bit. And there's a trim clip just there, pop that one out. Give me a little bit more room to get my hand up, and I'll show you that what we've got up there. As you can see, that 10mm bolt is what we're going to just whip that out, and that's up behind the light unit. So like I say, lift this up a bit. I can actually see that nut down there. I'll slip that onto it. Once I get it started, I should just get my hand on that now and just spin that off. There it is. And now that's released, this will just pop out. Like so. Which leaves us the plug, so we can either pop the plug off there by pressing the tab and pop the plug out, and that's his headlamp unit there. So with this, just got a couple of clips that we're going to just pull away. Oh, that one's actually broken. Like, that one's not very good. Oh, these are gone all brittle. That's nice. Not what we wanted. Not what we wanted at all. And then whip that out of there. So brake light is the top one. And there it is again, it's a twin filament bulb. 21.5 watt. Let's get a new one. You can see the elements actually blown on that. So there we go, old one and the new one. You can see the difference in the colours. Now you've got to make sure we get these in the right way around. You've got the lower one and the higher one, so the lower one is obviously the one further down there. Slip that in like that, and make sure this rubber seals where it needs to be, all nicely tucked in there. That rubber seals in all the way around. Now I'm not overly fussed about this broken clip. I'll show you why. Once that's all back in there, and that's pushed up like that, this is the mounting that holds it into the car. This trim here sits around and presses against that. So when I bolt that up nice and tight, that's going to press on that and actually hold it all together anyway. This one's just about hanging on for dear, not at all. Oh, they are rubbish, aren't they? They are rubbish. Never mind. So that's actually, at one stage, had 4 clips on it. 2 of them already broke. I've just broke the last 2, so it's not like it's anything new. Let's get that back in again. locate those lugs on that. Push that all back in. We'll get that 10mm nut back on again. Nice and tight. So she's all in, we're all good. Okay, so that's all in nice, that wire's all in there. We can get this trim back in place. It's quite a length to have to go to just to change a bulb, I think. I mean, it's not the easiest one in the world to do. Clip that all back in again. Slip this trim back round here. Got his little clip, just push that one back through, and then the screw for that parcel shelf retainer, we'll pop that back in again, and then the last one was the cable tie clip there, which I'll just get another cable tie and pop that back in again. There we go, so we'll just snip that off. Job's a good one. Seat back up again. Brake lights all working again. Job's a good one. If that's been of any use to you, drop me a comment, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.